I'm Mehmet Guler from Entes Electronics. I'm on the tech support team. Today I'm going to talk to you about our current transformers. Current transformers are measurement transformers used to measure the current flowing through a circuit. As Entes Electronics, we offer you solutions in energy, infrastructure, and buildings in our wide range of products. Our transformers are divided into medium and low voltage current transformers for different voltage levels. Our med voltage current transformers are compatible with XLP cables. It reads current from med voltage. We have various low voltage current transformers in stock. The design, with sister series and primer secondary ratios, is divided into mini series and normal series, each with distinctive designs. What advantages do these mini series provide? Let me give an example. In your app, your assembly area is very limited and cramped. For primary and secondary internal structure current transformer, choose mini series or MN series if it suits your needs. Available here. This is crucial for users and it will be advantageous. It offers straightforward installation for you. Again, as you can see in the other CTs, there is the ENTA 100 series and the ENTA 100T series. We can pass both the cable here and to the bar from here. We can mount it. Here we have another design difference. If we want to take this to the bar again, we can take it to the bar. We can already read the current by passing our cable through this. On the other hand, we have our CES series CTs. We can't tolerate a prolonged power outage. Tough to remove cable, tough to remove barrier, provides convenience for users at this location. We also possess a pin for this. We opened the pin, we extracted our pin, we opened our band once again in the same manner and method as before. We made the purchase of the cable for our bar. We are in need of closing and reopening our fuse once again. Here we can also measure the current again. In this section we have a more compact current transformer. There is a more compact current transformer available that you can specifically attach under the switch, where you can pass your 3 phases and read the current by connecting L1, L2, L3 phases and without fixing any of the RJ45 output terminals. We have some fancy current traps. It opens with the help of a clothespin on the side. When it is closed by passing through the cable, the current reading starts. And once again, there are values with different dimensions and different primary and secondary outputs and inputs of various types. Look, here we have again connected our cable according to another different cable size, a bigger one. Closing the circuit breaker yields current measurement. Seconder's product has 333 MV output. If you are using Entes' plug meter featured analyzer, since the current measurement inputs of these analyzers are 333 MV inputs, we need to get a current transformer with a 333 MV output so that the two products can work correctly and smoothly with each other. On the other hand, we have a bar type current transformer. We connected one cable end like this, and then we can also perform current reading by making a connection from here. As Entes Electronics, we are pleased to provide energy efficiency solutions for a better future.